Today we will learn about word problems on division. How can we apply the division in a word problem? That today we will learn from here. So for this one I have taken some word problems for you. Problem number 1. If 165 toffees are to be kept in 15 boxes equally, how many toffees will be kept in each box? So there are total number of toffees 165 and total number of boxes is also 15. We have to kept the toffees equally in each box. So how many toffees can be kept in each box? So let us first note down that number of toffees this equal to 165 and number of boxes is 15. Okay. So therefore the number of toffees in each box should be, as we are distributing 165 toffees equally in each box, total number of boxes is 15. So here we have to divide 165 by 15. Here is a 2-digit number 15. We have to divide 165 by 15. Here is the process. So here 15 has 2 digits, so we should take first 2 digits 16. Now if we go through the table of 15, 15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30, which is greater than 16. So we should take 1, 15 1 ja 15. Now subtract, we get 1. Take the next digit 5, 15. Again we get 15 1 ja 15. So division is completed here and we get the number of toffees equal to 11 in each box. So this becomes the answer. So here we have to divide because we are keeping the number of toffees equally in each box. Now coming to the next problem number 2. Here is the problem number 2. If 675 kg of wheat is to be distributed among 9 persons equally. Again here the wheat is this kg is distributed equally among 9 persons. So find how much each person will get. How much wheat will each person get? So here we will write quantity of wheat equal to 675 kg and number of person is 9. Number of person equal to 9. Therefore each person will get the wheat equal to, as it is distributing equally, so 675 kg we have to divide it by 9. Whatever we get, that should be in kg. Now let us divide this at the side. 675 we have to divide by 9. Take the first leftmost digit 6, but it is less than 9, we cannot take only 6. Take the next digit and we get the 2 digit number 67. Now proceed with the table of 9. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36, 9 5 ja 45, 9 6 ja 56, sorry 9 6 ja 54, 9 7 ja 63, 9 8 ja 72, but 72 is greater than 67, so we should take 9 7 ja 63. Now subtracting we get 4. Take the next digit 5. Now here is the number 45. Now again proceed with the table of 9. We get 9 5 ja 45. 9 5 ja 45. Division is completed. Result is 75. So each person will get the wheat 75 kg. This kg. Okay. Must give the unit here kg. Now coming to the next problem number 3. Problem number 3 is here. If 30 grams of steel is needed to make a steel plate, that means to make one steel plate 30 gram of steel is required. To make only one steel plate. Find how many plates can be made of 450 grams of steel. So here total quantity of steel is 450 gram. Let us first note down it. Total quantity of steel equal to 450 and one steel plate required to make 30 grams. 30 grams steel is required to make one plate. So to make one plate, steel required 30 gram. 30 gram steel required to make one steel plate. Therefore, number of steel plate can be made by this grams. 450 gram steel, this should be equal to 450 divided by 30. Let us divide it. This way. As 30 has 2 digit, we should take 2 digit 45. Now go through the table of 30. 31 ja 30, 32 ja 60, which is greater than 45. So we should take 31 ja 30. Subtracting we get 5. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now take the next digit 0. So 150 is the number next. Now in the table of 30, 31 ja 30, 32 ja 60, you can prepare the table at the side. 31 ja 30, 32 ja 2 3 ja 6, 0, 60. 33 ja 3 3 ja 9, 0, 90. 34 ja 3 4 ja 12, 0, 120. 35, 5 3 ja 15, 0. We get 150 by this 5. So by 5 we get 150. Division is completed. Result is 15. So we get number of steel plate can be made 15. This becomes the answer. Okay. Now coming to the next problem. Problem number 4. If the cost of 17 tables is rupees 8,245, find the cost of one table. So here is given number of tables 17 and the total cost is rupees 8,245. We have to find the cost of each table, one table, and the cost of each table is remains for every table. So we have to equally divide this rupees in 17 for 17 tables. So here total cost equal to rupees 8,245 and number of tables equal to 17. Therefore, one table cost equal to rupees 8,245 divided by 17. Let us divide it. By 17 we will divide 8,245. We should take first 2 digit as 17 has 2 digit. Now you can prepare a table, or if you have already prepared and recall it. 17 1 ja 17, 17 2 ja 34, 17 3 ja 51, 17 4 ja 68. If we multiply 17 by 5, 85. Here is 82, but 85 is greater than 82, so we should take 17 4 ja 68. Now subtract 8 4 12, 1 carry, 1 here 14. Subtracting we get 14. Now take the next digit 4. We have to go up to 144 or just less than 144. Here we get 17 5 ja 85. Okay. 17 6 ja 6 7 ja 42, 6 1 ja 6 plus 4, 102. 17 7 ja 7 7 ja 49, 1 1, 119. Okay. Next 17 multiply 8, 8 7 ja 56, 5 carry, 8 1 ja 8 plus 5 13, 136. 17 9 ja 9 7 ja 63, 6 carry, 9 1 9 plus 6 15, 153. But 153 is greater than 144, so you should take this one by 8, 136. Now again subtract. 4 means 14 minus 6, 8. 1 board from here, so this crosses out, 8. Now take the next digit 5, 85, and check it is 17 5 ja 85. So 17 5 ja 85. This completes the division. The result is 485. So this is the cost of one table. One table cost become rupees 485. This is the answer. Okay. So this was the some word problems on division. Hope you have understood. And same type of division, same type of word problems you can solve yourself also. With this, the chapter is completed here. Thank you and goodbye.